How to use system restore points. When encountering system failure or data corruption like running slow or blue screen, you can try to return the system to a specific restore time point without reinstalling the whole operating system. The system will go back to previous status without affecting your personal files. Now, let's check if System Restore Point setting is enabled on your system. First, find Create Restore Point in the Windows search bar and open it. You can find the protection option of System Drives here. Please make sure it's already been set as on. If it is off, we suggest you to turn it on manually. Select System Drive and click on Configure. Switch the system protection to on and set up the max usage of disk space ranging from 5% to 10%. You can also create a restore point manually to set up a specific restore time point you prefer. Select System Drive and click Create. Give it a description to make it identifiable. Click Create to generate your customized restore point. When you need to restore your PC, find Create Restore Point in the Windows search bar, then open it. Select System Restore here. Follow the step and select the restore point you want to apply. Go to the next page and make the final confirmation. Wait for the loading progress. The computer will restart a few times. And now the system restore is completed. If your system problem still exists after restoration, we suggest you to back up files and reset the system. With System Restore Point option enabled, the system backs you up and you don't have to hesitate to install new application or drivers. If you still have any questions, please feel free to contact our service center. Subscribe to our ASUS Support channel, like, and share your comments. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.